And hi, everybody. How are you this evening? Well, so I am coming to you with a recorded story because, like I mentioned, we're doing a marathon drive home. So I know I won't be any place that I will be able to go live and still read a story. Driving and reading and not the best thing to do. Read alouds. First live streaming. That's not the thing I want to do. But I did want to bring a story for you tonight. And I called this one Unique for number 335. Unique. There's somebody I follow on YouTube, Luria, and she does this Uniquely You in the LSP group and about with eCam and what you do and how you do things. And I thought that this story really fit with you guys and just is one of those fun ones. The illustrator and author are Peter Reynolds, who is Peter Reynolds, and I have shared some of his other books. You'll remember his book, The Word Collector and Say Something. Um, I think I read Say Something. I'll have to go back and look. But Word Collector was one of our favorites. And Peter Reynolds has just illustrated books and written books that are just absolutely wonderful. So, for tonight's story in art, I'm going to bring you Be You. Yeah, Be You by Peter H. Reynolds. Look at all those words in the end paper. Don't they look wonderful? So cool. Be you. You were born to be so many things. Look at this: brave, yourself, smart, generous, polite, quirky, thoughtful, hopeful, spirited, colorful, moody, effervescent, optimistic, hungry, active, persistent, exuberant. Oh my God, feisty, vivacious, sweet. I'm sure all of you can find words in there that fit you. But you were born to be so many things. My wish for you, no matter where your journey leads, is for you to always be you. Born to be me. Be ready to take that first next step toward an amazing human being. Be curious. Turn every stone. Ask every why and keep digging deeply. Discover your own answers. Be adventurous. Live a big life. When you are ready, step outside your comfort zone, bravely explore new paths, and see where they lead you. Be connected. Find kindred spirits. Be with those who make you feel like the real you. Be persistent. Keep going. Never stop. Keep going. Never stop. Keep going. Never stop. Be different. Be silly, be quirky, be odd, be unique. Be weird, be colorful, be okay with being different. Just be just the way you are. Be kind. Be understanding. Help those around you to be themselves. Listen. Then listen some more. Listen more about who they are. Be brave. Try new things. Take a deep breath and plunge forward into new experiences. It gets easier every time you try. Be your own thinker. Think for yourself and set your own unique course. It isn't always easy, but you'll be heading in the direction of you. Be okay being alone. Take time to be on your own, hear your own thoughts, your inner voice, listen to your heart. Be patient. Being more you takes time. Take a deep breath, relax, let your future unfold at its own pace. It will be worth the wait. Be okay reaching out for help. When you need a helping hand, be compassionate, a compassionate ear, an encouraging word. Reach out. As you voyage into the world, remember, no matter what, you will always be loved. You are ready, so go ahead. Be you. Be very, very you. And that's go ahead, be yourself, be the best version of you. Each day is a new chance to be more you. And that is Be You by Peter H. Reynolds. I just, and his very end page here says, live a big life. Happy Dreamer, Word Collector, and Say Something. I haven't read Happy Dreamer yet to you guys. Have to find that one to read. Yes, it's a book that oftentimes would be really great to read to kids. But I think as adults, it's something that we need to hear and read and embody and really think about once in a while about taking the time to be with ourselves, to think, to do all those things, to dream, to be uniquely us, and all the things that this book encourages are words that I hope encourage you and that they perhaps touched you and they felt like something that you needed or wanted to hear. And that's what I wanted to send to you guys tonight for the story and art. And so that's it for tonight. It's a short one, but it is a special one for a group of people that really do help me be me. And I hope I help you be you. Until next time, everybody, keep looking for the beauty hidden in plain sight. It's all around. But the first place you'll find it is if you go look in the mirror. See you next time.
All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.